Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll discuss how we can add PDF viewer in our WordPress website, and we can we can embed our PDF file into our WordPress website, and we can easily view. So how we can do that? So you can see this is our test page, okay, and on this page we are going to add PDF as a viewer, right? So how we can add this? So in that case we need to add a plugin first, and the plugin should be like PDF viewer, okay. So once you search PDF viewer, you can see multiple plugins over there. It's coming up, okay. You can see, so you can see there are multiple installations on this plugin actually, and we can activate this plugin into our WordPress website. Just install this plugin first, okay. It's installed. Now activate the plugin, and once you activate the plugin, you can see in the plugin section it's called PDF embedder, right? So there are settings. You can, if you click on setting option, you can see the settings, okay. Width, height you can adjust, okay. Toolbar over you can adjust it also. Mobile friendly, main, this is actually main settings, and we can easily get it done. So let's get it done. So we need to add a shortcode, something like, so just go to the plugin, okay, go to the plugin area and just click on view details, and in the description you can collect the shortcode. So this is something shortcode, okay. You can see, just copy this shortcode first, and you can add this shortcode where you want to display the PDF. So I am going to display the PDF on this page, the test page. So we will add that shortcode into this page, right? So go to the text mode and just paste it. You can see the shortcode something like PDF embedder URL. So this URL needs to be changed, right? So we will change this URL. So I already have a PDF files in our WordPress media. You can add as per your need. So this is a dummy PDF file. I am just going to copy this URL for the PDF and go to this page and paste it over there. So this is our PDF file, okay. Just update, and once you update the page, just view this page, okay. Now you can see the PDF files are getting loading. Now you can see this is your PDF file. So this is something where we can easily embed our PDF file into our WordPress website. So when customer visit your website, they can easily view the entire PDF file, as there are only one page. So you can see only one page. If there are multiple pages in the PDF, you can see the multiple. So that's it. Thank you.